What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is the Google Pixel stand. It goes for like $79 plus tax, so it's actually fairly expensive. Now, I do not have my Pixel phone yet, but I wanted to give you an unboxing of this device to show it off, and I'm gonna put my Galaxy Note 9 in there just to see if anything happens. It should wirelessly charge it fast, even at that. And again, this is out right now, so you can purchase this and it will work. It should work with any phone, but you're really gonna get extra things with it in terms of like smart functionality with it, only with the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. You can see Google Pixel stand on the box, and then on the side it shows us a Pixel phone with, it's a white one with the mint green button, and then it shows it in the Pixel stand. On the back there, I don't know if you can read that, I'll bring that a little bit closer. It says fast wireless charger that unlocks personalized experiences powered by the Google Assistant on your Pixel 3 and 3 XL, charges Qi compatible phones for features, minimum OS and hardware requirements, see, and then it gives us the address right there. Now for what you've all been waiting for, let's lift this Google stand up. Drops right open, put that off to the side. And the Pixel stand, plastic, take that out. And it doesn't move at all, so you can't move it up or down. I guess that's unfortunate, I guess, if you look at it that way. To be honest with you though, I've always liked wireless chargers that stood up. They just seem like they're easier to get to charge. And sometimes when they lay down, you have it too far up or too low. And these just work perfectly fine. A little bit of plastic on there. And then other than that, you get an orange bottom with some tape at the bottom, blocking out the USB Type-C port there. And then there's a little hole for the cable to fit through. And then other than that, inside, let's see what else we got. You get looks like some user's manuals and things like that. And then a big charger here. It's gonna be the same one that comes with the Pixel, and it's USB Type-C on both ends. All right, so I have the Pixel stand plugged in. Now I'm gonna grab my Galaxy Note 9, which can fast charge wirelessly. So I'm gonna put it on here. And it says charging wirelessly, 3 hours, 45 minutes. It's at 14%. So this does not fast charge, it looks like, every single device, which is a complete and utter disappointment for sure that it wouldn't fast charge this device. I don't know why it won't. It must be the wattage, or maybe it's something specific in this charger. Now, I only have Samsung phones that can charge wirelessly at my house, so I'm not able to try other phones, but it looks like the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is unable to wirelessly charge fast, at least on the Pixel stand. So if you're looking to get the Pixel stand just to buy it, it's probably not a good idea to buy. I would definitely pick up a different fast wireless charger. Now, if you are curious, I did try this plug in 2 different places, and it's still, just to be sure, and it still gives me the same effect of only charging slow wirelessly, which is, again, a pretty big disappointment. Otherwise, I'm excited to try this with the Pixel 3 phone to see how it works with the other features, showing off Google Assistant while it's plugged into this, and also just make sure it fast charges with it as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you down the road. Peace.